Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a PlayStation 5 not turning on. First, check all your power cables. Ensure they are securely connected to both your console and the wall outlet. Also, confirm your HDMI cable is snug in its ports on both devices. A simple power cycle can often resolve minor glitches, so unplug everything for about 60 seconds, then plug it all back in and try turning it on again. If the initial checks don't work, let's look at your power source. Try plugging your console into a completely different wall outlet. Sometimes, a single outlet can malfunction. It's also wise to bypass any power strips or surge protectors, connecting directly to the wall. This helps eliminate them as a potential problem. If you see a persistent orange light without the system fully powering up, it might suggest an internal power supply unit issue. Next, let's ensure your display is not the problem. First, test your current HDMI cable with another device, such as a Blu-ray player, to confirm it is working. Also, try plugging your console into a different HDMI port on your television. A faulty port can prevent a picture. If you see no display, try booting into safe mode by holding the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear a second beep. This might allow you to adjust display settings. When in safe mode, consider selecting Rebuild Database. This often fixes corrupted system files without erasing your games or saved data, which can resolve power-on issues. If after all these steps, your PlayStation 5 still refuses to turn on, it's likely a more significant hardware problem. At that point, it is best to contact Sony PlayStation Support or a certified repair center for expert diagnosis and potential repair solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.